Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to MB again. My name is Akash Shinde. In this video, we'll discuss about idioms. Yesterday, one of the student had posted how to prepare for idioms. That's why I come up with some idiom stage, which will be very handy for you when it comes to Snap examination. And almost 89% of the people have not subscribed to my channel. So guys, please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. First of all, we'll talk about this one. First idiom is a lot on my plate. So व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्नैप एग्जामिनेशन आपको ऐसे इडियम दिया जाएगा एंड यू विल बी गिवन सम डेफिनेशन आपको एक डेफिनेशन चेक करनी पड़ेगी सेकंड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस क्या होता है कि एक एग्जांपल दिया जा होगा एंड यू नीड टू फाइंड द राइट फिट फॉर दैट एग्जांपल थर्ड टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस क्या आता है कि फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स टाइप इडियम आती है आपको इडियम फुलफिल करना होता है दैट्स हाउ आई कम अप विद दिस होल structure so that it will be very handy for you. First idiom is a lot on my plate. It means that if you are very busy with lot of responsibilities. For example, David currently has a lot on his plate as his boss is on vacation. So it here आपको show हो रहा है कि David has lot of responsibilities because उसका boss went to vacation. Second one is back to square one. To get back to where it has started, we went back to square one after spending and wasting 2 days. It means that मैंने 2 घंटे वेस्ट किए हैं अभी मेरे पास जितना भी टाइम है उसमें मेरे को स्टार्ट से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. थर्ड वन इज बैक टू ड्राइंग बोर्ड. इट मीन्स टू स्टार्ट ऑल ओवर अगेन. यू नीड टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच. आपको पहले से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एग्जांपल, वी वेंट बैक एट द ड्राइंग बोर्ड आफ्टर आवर प्लान वाज रिजेक्टेड. हमारा प्लान रिजेक्ट हो चुका था उसकी वजह से वी वेंट टू दी ओरिजिनल थिंग. Fourth one is backroom boys, people who do important work but are not visible to general public. आपने देखा होगा, there are some people in the government itself, they are doing lot of work but they are not visible to the people. तो एग्जाम्पल देखो, he resented being a backroom boy when Dave took all the credit. So this is a classic example of corporate. Now ballpark figure, a rough estimate. You can understand this phrase and this idiom has been used when it comes to cricket. क्रिकेट में आपने सिद्धू पाजी को देखा होगा. ही लिटरली टोल्ड what's the ballpark score. It means that what's the estimate score that India can score. If I talk about example, can you give me a ballpark figure as to what this project will cost. So again, corporate example, what should be the cost of the project that we are going to implement. Then bang for the buck, something that gives you more value back than money you spent. Online ads provide more bang on the buck than TV commercials. It means that online provides ads give you lot of value as compared to TV जो टीवी में बका जाता है. Next thing is belt tightening, rigorous reduction in spending, right? So example क्या है, our company had to do some belt tightening because of the recent economic downturn. Economic downturn की वजह से कंपनी को they need to less down the spending. They need to less down in terms of resources. That's how the best example that they are given and आपको याद में रखना पड़ेगा belt tightening. Next one is blank check, complete freedom of action or control. The board has given company president a blank check to introduce the new reforms. So the president wanted to come up with new reforms and company has given all the freedom to him. Blue collar, someone who does manual labor work, right? Joe is a blue collar worker at company warehouse. देर आर ब्लू कलर जॉब, व्हाइट कलर जॉब, राइट? तो आपको समझ में आना पड़ेगा. देन बॉटम लाइन, फाइनल टोटल ऑफ द अकाउंट और अल्टीमेट डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर. आई डोंट नीड एनी डिटेल्स, ऑल आई केयर इज द बॉटम लाइन. All I care is the final total of the account. This can be used in terms of financial statement, financial accounts, brain drain, loss of educated workforce to the geographic location. Nowadays, there's a boom in the market कि USA has become a brain drain. It means that lot of Indians are coming to and getting into USA. France suffered a brain drain due to economic crisis. So जब economic crisis आती है, due to that you will be seeing lot of people are getting uh, hikes and some people are getting not many jobs. So that's how the example has been correlated. Break even point, to have no profit or no loss at the end of business activity. So break even point बहुत बार स्टॉक मार्केट में यूज होता है. इट टुक अस 2 years to just break even. It means that company was in loss. Now they have come, they don't have that much profit, but there's no loss, there's no profit. Next one is buzzman's holiday, spending your time doing the schematic thing that do at work. The painter spent with busman's holiday painting as his it's a basic example. By the book, strictly according to rule. आपको ये phrase पता होगी, this idiom has been used many times. He always go by the books, he always follow the rules. ट्रैफिक रूल्स के बारे में भी एग्जांपल आता है, राइट? कॉल इट अ डे, स्टॉप वर्किंग एंड गो टू होम. सो दिस इज आल्सो a decent example of idiom. Now, next one, call all the shots to make important decisions. So you might have seen this example during the government scenario and COVID 19. Cash cow, a consistently profitable business or product. Cave in, agree to something you didn't want to accept previously. Clamp down, to take a strong decision. Clamp down बहुत तगड़ी idiom है in my opinion, because it has came to snap 2021. Climb the corporate ladder again. Now, since you are going to join corporate, you need to understand and you need to make your own way to make your position in the company itself. Cold calls, अगर आपको job नहीं मिल रही तो you will do the cold call. It means that you will make a call, you will make a appointment to sell something, to sell your resume, I would say. Compare apple to oranges, comparing two different things, right? If you are comparing New York and if you are comparing Mumbai, or if you are comparing Nagpur, it doesn't make sense, right? Cook the books, alter facts or figures dishonestly. आपने देखा होगा कि many times forensics में there have been instances where cook the books has been used. Next one is corner the market, to dominate a market or business. If I talk about, let's say, the consulting, BCG, Bain, they are cornering the other companies. They are cornering the market. Means they have a lot of expertise in this domain, right? Next one is crack the whip, threatening people to make them work harder. Cream the cop, the best person in a group. You might see a lot of people in organization. अगर fresher हो गए या MBA में जाओगे, there will be some people who are cream of the crowd, as well as the people who are getting into SIBM Pune. They are the cream of the crop. Crunch the numbers, do a lot of mathematical calculation, cut a deal to reach an agreement. This is also an important phrase. Cut corners, skip certain steps in order to do something as well as cheaply, right? Cut the chase, get the point quickly. आप अगर कुछ भी चीजें बात कर रहे हो but it doesn't making any sense, then you will have to take and you have to say the person that please cut to the chase. Now, coming to the next phrase, which is dead end job, right? It means that a job has no chance of promotion. आप देखते हो कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स नाउ becoming dead end jobs. Then drop the ball, make a mistake. ये you might have seen this idiom in cricket. Deadwood, someone or something that is no longer useful, right? Now the technologies in IT company, they have become a deadwood. Next thing that is there is elephant in the room, a huge problem that no one wants to talk about. 11th hour, the last minute. अगर आपके assignment submit कर रहे हो 20 को में, then you have to tell them, the people who are present there, that don't do work at 11th hour. Foot in the door, first step towards a goal. Then from the ground up, starting from the beginning, game plan of action. आप क्रिकेट में देखते होगे. Then get the ball rolling to begin an activity or a process. Gross selling, an unofficial or a social barrier to advancement in a position. So you can understand the examples that are present there. Post that, you can see here, go through the roof to increase much more than expected. Golden handicap, special benefits which are given to employee from leaving. उसके बाद आता है गोल्डन हैंडशेक, लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इज पेड एज ए इंसेंटिव. गोल्डन पैराशूट, एम्प्लॉयमेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दैट गारंटीज बेनिफिट्स. ग्रे एरिया, ऐसी सिचुएशन जो डिफिकल्ट होती है एंड इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन राइट है कि रॉन्ग है. हैव योर वर्क कट, accomplish your difficult task. Head on to recruit the best people at top position level. So that's all about today's idiom class. If you have any questions, guys, please put it into chat box. And also tell me what are the topics that I should focus on. मैं स्नैप की एक 90 डेज सीरीज लाना चाहता हूँ विच विल बी वेरी easy and very handy for you, and उसमें से most of the questions will definitely come to snap exam, right? All the best to you guys. Stay tuned for further updates, and comment box may do put the topic. I'll come up with the topic.